So, what you're seeing, girls, is this old plant pot from last year, this one that had cherries in, now it's got weeds in. You'd really like it. Is that what you're saying? Well, problem is, if I'm filming you, I've only got one hand to do it with. Stay where you are. Good girl. Oh, I know, it's frightening, because even though you really want it, it's a change. Hello. Was that peppery, was it? Yeah, it's an ice cream van. You don't know what that is. You'd probably like the cones, but you can't have one. Stay there. Stay. No, stay there. Be a good girl. Good girl. No. Did I not tell you? Stay in there. There you go. Yeah, just do as you're told. Do as you're told. You're not listening, are you? You don't care. All right. In. There you go. You see? Do as you're told eventually. Right then, I'll leave you to that, and then we'll tip it out, eat all the bugs and worms out of it, I'll brush it up, and have nice chicken poo and mixed compost. You just don't listen to me at all, do you? You do not listen to me. Aye. You enjoy that, girls.